In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out a background in CapCut on PC. Let's get started by opening CapCut on your computer. Once it loads, create a clean workspace by selecting New Project. This gives you a fresh timeline and a media panel ready for your footage. Next, bring in the content you want to work with. You can import a video or an image from your files. If it's easier, drag the file straight into CapCut's media area. After it appears in your library, drag it down to the timeline to make it active for editing. You should see the clip on the track, and you can scrub through to the part you want to work on. Click the clip you want to cut out so it's highlighted. This tells CapCut which piece you're focusing on. Now look to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut's editing controls live. Find the cutout section, sometimes labeled Remove Background depending on your version. You'll see options for auto removal and custom removal. Auto removal is the fastest way to get a cutout. Click it and CapCut will analyze your clip and try to isolate the subject automatically. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, play back a few seconds to check the edges, especially around hair, hands, and any areas where the subject overlaps similar colors in the background. Because automated cutouts aren't always perfect, don't hesitate to refine the result. Switch to custom removal and use the available tools to add back areas that were accidentally erased or remove parts that slipped through. Zoom in for better precision around fine details. Smaller brush sizes can help with tricky edges, while softer edges can make the cutout blend more naturally. If the background and subject are similar in color, take your time and work in short strokes, checking the preview as you go. Pause and adjust until you're happy with the outline and transparency. The goal is a clean separation that holds up when the subject moves. Once the cutout looks the way you want, you're ready to export. Click Export to finalize your project. Choose the settings that match your needs, such as resolution and format, and pick a save location you'll remember. Then start the export and let CapCut render your video. When it finishes, you'll have a file with the background